Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English in Action. Let me ask you a question. Do you feel like learning English is too slow? You study, you read, you practice, but still it takes a long time. Well, you are not alone. Many students feel the same way. And today, I will show you how to learn English faster in simple, easy steps. In this video, you will not only hear my tips, but also listen to a short story about learning English the wrong way and the right way. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, stay with me until the end because the last tip is the most powerful one. And if you really want to stop making mistakes, check out our Stop Saying videos too. They will help you avoid common errors. Ready? Let's get started. Let me tell you a short story. A few years ago, my friend Maria wanted to learn English. She bought many grammar books. She read them every night. But she never practiced speaking. When she met an English speaker, she froze. She didn't know what to say. All the words stayed in her head, but never came out. Then, one day, she changed her method. She started listening to English podcasts every morning. She repeated sentences again and again. She spoke to herself in English when cooking or walking. And guess what? In only 3 months, Maria was speaking with confidence. Not perfect, but clear, natural, and brave. The lesson here? Don't just study rules. Practice, speak, make mistakes, and learn from them. That's why in this video, I will give you practical tips. Real things you can do today to learn faster. Tip 1. Shadowing practice. Shadowing means repeating exactly what you hear from a native speaker. For example, watch a short clip, pause, and copy the sentence. Copy the pronunciation, the speed, even the emotion. Don't just say the words, say them like the speaker. By the way, we have full videos where we practice shadowing together, like our restaurant conversations and daily phrases series. Go watch those if you want to improve faster. Tip 2. Daily English routine. Instead of studying too much one day and then stopping for a week, study a little every day. For example, 10 phrases in the morning and 10 phrases at night. And if you need daily practice, check out our Speak Like a Pro videos. Each part has 30 useful phrases, perfect for building your daily routine. Tip 3. Learn from real life. Don't just study from books. Watch real conversations like podcasts, movies, or even our role play videos. try to notice how people really speak. This helps you sound more natural. We already have videos like English at the restaurant and Shopping in English. Go watch those to practice English in real-life situations. Tip 4. Repeat and record yourself speaking English. A very powerful trick is to record yourself speaking English. Then listen, compare, and improve. It feels strange at first, but it works. And if you want more practice, don't miss our Stop Saying videos. They teach you how to avoid common mistakes and speak more naturally.
Now, let's talk about something very important: learning words in context. If you only study a word alone, like apple, it's too easy to forget. But if you study the word inside a sentence, you remember it better, and you know how to use it. For example, I ate an apple yesterday. Let's practice together. I ate an apple yesterday. Repeat after me. I ate an apple yesterday. One more time. I ate an apple yesterday. See? Now you don't just know the word apple, you also know how to use it in a real sentence. That is what makes your English sound natural. Second example. Here's another one. I watched a movie last night. I watched a movie last night. Repeat after me. I watched a movie last night. Once more. I watched a movie last night. Excellent! With this method, you connect the word movie with an action, a time, and a feeling. That is real learning. If you like this kind of practice, don't forget we have more videos on our channel with real conversations. Check out the Speak Like a Pro series. You'll find many examples to practice just like this. Now, this is the most exciting part: real practice. You can study books for hours, but if you never speak, you will never feel confident. Here's a simple way. Imagine you are talking with a friend. I will ask you a question, and you answer out loud. Ready? What did you eat yesterday? Now you answer. Try again. What did you eat yesterday? Good job! Even if no one is here, speaking out loud is a real practice. Second example, mini dialogue. I'll give you another one. I watched a movie yesterday. What about you? Now you say, I watched movie name and add your idea. Perfect! This is how you turn words into real English. If you want even more real practice, check out our playlist, Daily Conversations. There you can listen, repeat, and practice dialogues with me and John. Let me tell you a secret.
Every great English speaker made many mistakes. Yes, even me. When I first practiced speaking, I said, I am agree. It's wrong. The correct way is I agree. But you know what? That mistake helped me remember the right form forever. So, don't be afraid. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are steps to success. Next time you say something wrong, just smile and repeat it the right way. That's how learning really happens. And if you want to learn which mistakes to avoid, check out our Stop Saying series here on the channel. Those videos will help you not repeat the same errors again and again. Wow, we talked about many powerful tips today. Change your routine, learn in context, practice for real, and accept mistakes. These are the keys to learning English faster. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about practice, progress, and enjoying the journey. If you want to keep improving, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here on English in Action. And for more practice, watch our Stop Saying series. Those videos will help you avoid common mistakes and sound more natural. Now, I have a question for you. What is your favorite way to learn English faster? Tell me in the comments below. I can't wait to read your answers. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.